Welcome to the tutorial video on the initial setup for the settings menu creator asset. I'll be going over the importing process, where most of the files are located at, how to remove the asset from your project, as well as the brief overview on the main manager window. So in order to import, we just go as usual to packages, search for the asset and click import. You should also be familiar with this window. There's a couple packages that will be imported under the packages directory. So let's do that, and you'll see it pop up here in a second. You may notice also that a couple files will be imported up here. We're just going to ignore that for now, but all samples / demo scenes will also be located under this CitrioN SMC folder under the assets folder. Now for this manager window, we have these three tabs. The welcome tab, we have a quick navigation to the main documentation of the free version of the asset. For the other add-ons in the pro version, you find their documentation in their own documentation folders. For the samples tab, you find various samples depending on which combination of add-ons / pro version you have installed. Now in our case, let's import the examples up here, and we can take a quick look on that. Let's dock the manager window here, take a look at the game scene and start it, and you can see it's a fully functional working settings menu, very basic, can be set up in just a few minutes once you know how the asset works. All right, let's remove that and go back to the window here. The resource generator is the main tab you'll be using to start the process of creating a new settings menu, and will be covered in depth in a separate video. Now lastly, for this video, how to remove the package or asset from your project again. Now the CitrioN folder up there, you can just delete as usual, which you would normally do for any other asset. But since the asset is using packages, you cannot simply click on it and press delete to remove it. You have to go to the package manager, go to the in project, and then click on each of these and click on remove. Hit yes. There will be a bunch of errors showing. I do recommend starting with the topmost because it will auto select the next one, and you can just go ahead and click remove on all of these and hit enter to speed that up, and it will just take maybe 10 seconds to remove all of them. It's probably a few seconds longer than with another asset, but the packages approach comes with a lot of benefits, so that's what you have to do to remove it again.